So, if you're a software engineer, chances are you've heard one of these phrases in the past couple of months. Software engineering is over, or adopt AI, or you perish. And the question I keep asking myself, I keep going back to is, which one is it? Is software engineering over, or should we all just adopt AI? Because, think about it. How are we supposed to adopt AI if we don't have jobs, right? Are we supposed to just vibe code our way into a sloppy internet where, everything is vibe coded? Mind you, vibe coding is also quite expensive. If I don't have a job, I'm not able to afford the Anthropic $200 plan, right? These are the real questions I've been asking myself the past couple of weeks. And to be honest, my opinion changes every week or every now and then. Software engineering at its core is not just coding. It's logic, it's critical thinking and problem solving. So if you're a really good software engineer, chances are you already have some of these soft skills. You know how to think deeply about problems. You know how to solve really complex problems, right? The truth is code is cheap now. You can vibe code anything at this point, right? These models are really good. They are really, really good. And software generally, as we know it and how we build it, will change over the course of, few years. So my advice is to just not panic. That's what I've been telling myself, to just calm down and no panic and just to diversify, right? One surprisingly safe bet or industry is the creative industry. Things like design, 3D and all of this really creative industries. The truth is no matter how good AI gets, even though it can generate images, generate 3D assets and all of these things, it can produce unique and new ideas from these things, right? So we all know AI can, this is what we call it slop. It can generate stuff, but it cannot generate actual creative stuff, right? How we humans do. We think critically about stuff that we create. This is the downside of AI, and I don't think this is going to get solved, or this is something that a new frontier model is going to fix. Personally, I've been learning 3D on the side, and it's been refreshing having to use my brain again, having to think about stuff, think about problems, think about not really problems, but think creatively about things. It's been really nice to get to use my brain again outside of just coding. Like I said, coding is quite cheap now. Cursor and all these AI tools can probably generate code better than what you would even code yourself. So I feel I'm still using my engineering brain. I'm still using my all of the soft skills I got from software engineering.